Welcome to BizGuide Vegas, your one-stop guide to doing business in Las Vegas. In this video, we're going to learn how to promote your Las Vegas business on Facebook. Given that you have already created a Facebook page for your Las Vegas business after seeing our previous videos, the next step that must be done is for you to promote your business on the platform. The first step is to maximize the network you already have. The easiest way to market your business is to start within your network and invite existing customers. After you have successfully created a Facebook page for your business, you will be prompted to send invitations to your friends by liking or sharing your page. You might also want to include your Facebook page on any marketing material that you have, such as posters and tent cards at your shop. As a marketing strategy, you can include a link to your Facebook page on your email marketing campaigns and add a link to your Facebook group on your website, LinkedIn, and other social media platforms. The second step is to link your Facebook page to your website. In line with the last point mentioned in the previous step, adding a widget that serves as a link on your website for people to follow your Facebook page makes it easier for your followers to receive updates about your business. As an example, at the left side of our website, just before the business area categories of all the contents, you will find different links to all of the BizGuide social media accounts, including Facebook, Instagram, YouTube, and LinkedIn accounts. The third step is for you to share relevant and helpful content. People like and follow different things on the internet based on interest. Having a relevant and useful content that is geared towards your target market's interest gives them a reason to be a follower and subscribe to receive updates from your website. As a matter of fact, providing quality content in line with your business compels people to react, respond, and even spread a word about your post. Given that people are visual, providing images and videos of excellent quality will definitely draw attention. Some of the things that you might want to include or utilize are blogs, promos, an engaging question, infographics, and news articles. Going live on Facebook is also a great way to engage your followers. Just remember, content is king. See to it that you keep things original and engaging. The fourth step is interacting with other Facebook users and pages. In establishing an online presence, interacting with Facebook users to engage your potential customers, followers, and loyal subscribers is a must. See to it that you make a list of related pages, influencers, and personalities that are relevant to your niche. Take the time to acknowledge a comment or a post in response to your content to show that your business is active, in order to build trust and establish credibility. Naturally, you'll gain more people to like your page and be a follower. The fifth step is for you to run a Facebook ad. Running a Facebook ad is an easy way of getting your page in front of a wider audience to supplement your effort in gaining an organic following. In running a Facebook ad, the key is in targeting your niche based on location, demographics, interest, and behavior, to mention a few. In fact, you can utilize Facebook's lookalike targeting function by uploading email addresses or mobile number of your existing customers. The sixth step requires for you to strategically choose your posting schedule. Timing is important in all aspects of the business. Zig Ziglar once quoted, "Success occurs when opportunity meets preparation." While content is king, in order to gain followers and loyal subscribers, a timely post ensures that your content gets noticed and reaches your intended target. A poorly timed post would waste hours of hard work and effort if it doesn't reach your intended audience. The best way to promote your page for free suggests that you select a posting schedule that has the best chance of getting noticed. See to it that you do some testing with a few posts and check the analytics section to determine the best time. The seventh step is for you to partner with influencers. Without a doubt, partnering with an influencer is a good idea in widening the reach of your brand. However, several factors need to be taken into consideration. As much as possible, consider their background, character, and personality to make sure that it matches the product or service that your business offers. Come to think of it, it wouldn't make sense to hire an influencer whose profile is perfect for a lingerie model instead if your business is about sports and fitness. The 8th step involves putting up some videos. In this present day and age, multimedia plays a major role in business and marketing. Thus, it only makes sense to create a video content for your Facebook page. The good news is, you don't need to have an expensive video camera and other state-of-the-art equipment. Given that smartphones are equipped with features that include HD videos and images, in case your business has a budget for marketing, you may go ahead and rent a studio in your area. To save on your budget, you might want to check the cost of full production and post-production packages with editing services using professional-grade equipment. The second to the last step is for you to use humor. Whether you like it or not, having a sense of humor appeals to a wide audience that not only draws a smile onto one's face, but it captures their heart as it evokes a sense of joy and happiness. This in turn triggers people to click on the button to like, share, and tag their friends. Don't forget to show some brand personality in creating funny memes. Lastly, monitor your insights actively. One of the important principles in business includes defining a specific target or goal that would serve as a basis of establishing a standard in measuring progress or success. Hence, it is necessary for businesses to constantly monitor how well they are doing. In line with this thought, it is important to ask the following questions. Are your posts getting enough impressions and reach? Are people engaging with your content? Is your page growing at a desirable pace? Are your ads providing you with return of investments? Given that data is queen, checking the insights section of your page will give you an idea of where you stand in terms of hitting your goals and help you to identify your opportunities for improvement. Thank you for watching our BizGuide video on how to promote your Las Vegas business on Facebook. Should you have any questions about how to start your business in the state of Nevada, do type them in the comments below. If you like what you're learning from our channel, click like, share, and subscribe for more helpful content from BizGuide Vegas.